plant or golden pothos or whichever name you know it by. This air purifying plant is one of the most widely used plant for indoors and shady decors and very popularly known for bringing financial prosperity and good luck. Money plant is one of the easiest to be propagated through stem cutting. Simply cut the stem, ensuring that there is at least one root node in each cutting because new roots will come from these nodes only. Cut all those stems you no more want in your old plant and use them to grow new plants. While taking the cutting, ignore the leaves and make sure that the stems you are taking has sufficient number of nodes. So I have taken enough of the cuttings and now I will remove maximum of the leaves from the cutting grown near to the lower stem. This lower part of the stem will be dipped in water, and by removing leaves around, the nodes will be totally free to grow new roots. You can see in all the stems at every 1.5 inch of space there is a joint kind of mark and a very small little stem. These are called the nodes from where the new roots comes out. Now here comes the trick. I am gonna use aloe vera to grow new roots faster and healthier as aloe vera acts as a natural rooting hormone. It can also be used to grow cuttings of permanent plants as well. I have made a detailed video on it. You can find the link in the description box. Now simply cut the aloe vera into small pieces without removing the skin part. Just see this, how clear and transparent the gel is. I love aloe vera for the wonder it do to us and to the plants. Now take water in a glass or any deep narrow vessel. Fill with water and put aloe vera pieces into it. Now mix it a bit so that the rooting properties of aloe vera comes into the water. Now take all the cuttings and put them in water, making sure that nodes are well dipped in that water. Now keep it aside in some shady space or indoors. Don't keep in sunny light at all. In few days you will see wide good roots came in all the nodes. Just see how healthy these roots are looking. This can further be propagated in both the ways, both in water and in the soil. But before putting it in the soil, if we grow its roots in water, the success rate is more. Now you can transfer them in bottles of your choice, plain or decorated, whichever you like, and place them to decorate your indoors. Place them on your tables or shelf or even in kitchen. And every day it will give you a positive vibe. After few days only, after shifting in bottles, see how much the roots have grown up. They are looking absolutely strong and healthy. Once or twice a week, keep them in place where they get indirect sunlight or artificial light for few hours. It is very necessary to maintain its health and the color of the leaves. For sowing in soil, fill pot base with something which ensures good drainage. Prepare a soil mix by taking garden soil, well rotten cow dung manure and neem khali powder and mix it well. For detailed video of the soil mix, go to the link in the description box. Now fill this soil mix in the pot. 1 month after sowing the money plant in the soil, start giving it a fertilizer once every month. Mustard cake fertilizer is the best for this plant. Check the link in description box and know how you can also make it at home. Now dig a hole not very deep and plant your cuttings. Cover all the roots with soil properly and water it nicely. For the regular care to keep it healthy, don't expose it to the sun for longer time and don't overwater. Ensure a good drainage, else they lead to root rot, yellowing and browning of leaves and even plant dying. See this plant, within few days of planting, it has grown so fast and healthy. For the plants you are growing in water bottles, you can give 1 piece of aloe vera in 2 months. It works as a liquid fertilizer for water plants. So friends, this is it for this video from my end. You also plant these golden pothos this way and fill your space with positive vibes.